You don't need someone to say the obvious things. You need someone that can be there for you on the hard times and provide you deep answers on things that would take you probably days to understand and figure out. Windward is a global maritime AI company. We provide insights to our customers, whether this is public sectors, governments, federal agencies, supporting and providing global trade. We get data that needs to be structured in different ways, highly mutable. We keep changing historical data, and we support GeoJSON or geospatial data. All of that combined together is something that a single database, finding it really hard to support all use cases. In order to do that in the best way, we use the expertise from Twingo on how to use SingleStore in the best way possible. Whether this is the sizing of the cluster, how it's going to be configured, whether it's about how to optimize query, how to model the data into the different tables. Together with Twingo, we managed to optimize some of the use cases in a way that moved the performance of queries from tens of seconds into sub-second. On top of that, we had to see also things related to cost. So as part of the work with SingleStore and Twingo on optimizing the solution, we managed to figure out a solution that is actually going to be cheaper than the previous solution we had. When working with SingleStore, we managed to see that we have a good solution for both batch processing, offline processing of huge amount of data, as well as supporting real-time analytics at the same time. The expertise of Twingo during this time on understanding how to use SingleStore was a huge asset for us, saving us a lot of time, allowing us to do this migration in a much shorter time than expected. I found not only partner, I can even say almost a family. People that really care, they want to be there for you, to help you and support you on the way. Every time that we have a situation which we need to improve, optimize, new use cases that we want to onboard into the database, Twingo team is like a real partner on how to do that.